Hey travelers, Sharon here again. And if you have ever had an airport experience that made you want to cancel the whole trip and go back home, you're not alone. But guess what? Most airport nightmares are avoidable if you know what seasoned travelers like myself know. Oh, let me address the elephant in the room first. You may be surprised to see me on camera because this is a faceless channel. But I thought that this information was too important to show you a bunch of stock images. Not today. And I'm happy to be here interacting with you as well. All right, we got that out of the way. In this video, I'm unlocking the real secrets to avoid missed flights, surprise baggage fees, airport security drama, gate changes, and even overnight layover meltdowns. So stay with me because what's coming next might just save you your entire trip or even your sanity for that matter. Let's start with before you even leave your house. One of the most avoidable nightmare, which is number one, is long check-in lines or denied boarding. And you want to avoid that. So you show up at the airport ready to fly. We're going to paint a scenario, only to get stuck behind 200 people or worse, your name isn't on the list. Here is how frequent flyers avoid that. Always check in online 24 hours before your flight. Then you're going to screenshot your boarding pass before you leave the house and email it to yourself. Yes, even if you have that airline app. Verify your passport expiration is at least 6 months out. Many countries will deny you boarding for less. Want a bonus hack? Use the airline's mobile app to track your flight status and gates as well in real time. Apps like FlightAware and TripIt also keep you updated faster than the monitors at the airport. So don't wait till you get to the airport. What of this at home? Okay, check-in chaos averted. We figured that out. But what if you've now entered the airport security zone of doom? Stay with me. This next one is a game changer. Nightmare number 2, the security line mayhem. We all have been through it. But have you ever watched the security line snake through the building like a Disneyland ride gone wrong? Here is how seasoned travelers bypass that kind of chaos. Sign up for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. Both will save you tons of time. Or you can try the Clear. It is a private company that lets you skip the ID line completely. Are you not into any of those programs? Well, here's a free hack. Arrive early, yes, really early, and choose the leftmost line. Research shows that people tend to go right, so the left lanes move faster. Oh, and don't wear lace-up boots, belts with metal, or jewelry that sets off the scanner. You'd be surprised how many people delay the line with their fashion choices. I must confess, I've done that before. No more though. Still ahead, the number one packing mistake that leads to lost luggage, the gate change trap that leaves travelers stranded, and the sneaky way to get through passport control faster than everyone else. Are you ready for it? Let's keep going. Nightmare number 3, lost luggage or baggage fees that break the bank and the budget. Have you ever had your bag disappear into oblivion or into the abyss and never return? Here's how to avoid that kind of nightmare entirely. Always pack a change of clothes and essentials in your carry-on or personal item. Use Apple AirTags or tile trackers to monitor your luggage from your phone. And by the way, if you have an Android phone, they now have AirTags for those too, so you're not left out. Use bright luggage tags and maybe a red ribbon tied around your bag to make your bag stand out. Weigh your bag at home. I can't say that enough. Invest in a luggage scale. Those surprise overweight fees are brutal. Know your airline's baggage policy to avoid unnecessary charges, and those keep changing, so you have to keep checking, especially on budget airlines. And the biggest tip of all, if your trip is under 10 days, don't check a bag. There's no need to do that. Seasonal travelers don't do that. They swear by packing cubes and compression bags to fit everything in one bag, one carry-on. Next is the gate change trap, which is nightmare number 4. You're at the wrong gate and you miss the flight. Here's what seasoned travelers do. Now, listen up. Never assume your gate won't change. Always recheck it when you get through airport security. That is so important. Set real-time flight alerts through your airline's travel app. If your gate changes mid-boarding, don't panic. Most agents will accommodate you if you're nearby and paying attention. And seasoned travelers, they sit near monitors and they listen for gate announcements on the airport's PA system. You have to pay attention and don't put on those noise-canceling headphones either until you board the plane, because you want to stay alert. Here is the immigration slow down hack. Imagine you're stuck in a 2-hour passport line after an international flight. There's nothing worse than landing, ready to explore the island, the country or whatever, and you're standing still for a whole 2 hours. Here's the secret. Enroll in mobile passport control. It's free for U.S. citizens at many international airports. Or better yet, use global entry. The immigration line for pros is global entry. Seasoned travelers skip the regular lines entirely with global entry and breeze through with just a scan and a smile. Nightmare number 6. You can avoid this one, and it's the passport panic moment. Let's say you can't find your passport. Yes, it does happen. And you're next in line at check-in. It happens more often than you even think. Here's how seasoned travelers avoid that kind of heart-pounding moment. Use a passport wallet or neck pouch and keep it in the same spot every time. You get accustomed to it. Never place it in a jacket or loose out of pocket. That's how passports vanish in thin air. Take a photo of the ID page in the passport and email it to yourself just in case. And always keep a printed copy in a separate bag. If it does go missing abroad, report it immediately to the local U.S. Embassy or consulate. They'll help you get a temporary travel document. And even if you're not from the U.S., whichever embassy, UK, whatever embassy, you'll get the help that you need. Nightmare number 7. Stuck on the tarmac for hours, trapped on the plane while it's grounded with no updates. Yes, it's uncomfortable, I know, frustrating to say the least, and worst of all, you feel powerless. Here's a pro tip for surviving that kind of scenario. Always bring snacks, a refillable water bottle as well, and a power bank. Download movies, books, and music to your device before you board the flight. Politely ask the flight attendants for updates. They often know more than the captain is allowed to say. Always remember that. Know your rights. After 3 hours domestic flights or 4 hours international flights, airlines are required to offer passengers a chance to deplane. Seasoned travelers prepare for the tarmac trap before it happens. You're going to do the same, right? Nightmare 8, airport Wi-Fi that won't work when you need it most. This one is also avoidable. Imagine you landed in a new country and you can't get online. You need to contact your hotel, book a rideshare, or show your digital itinerary. But the Wi-Fi is slow or just plain broken. Here's how seasoned travelers stay connected. Use an eSIM app like Airalo or Holderfly. Download data before you arrive. Or bring a global travel SIM card as a backup. Download all hotel confirmations, maps, and your itinerary to your device offline. And here's a pro tip. Take screenshots of everything important before your flight. Never rely on airport Wi-Fi to get you where you need to go. Never do that. Nightmare number 9. You arrive, but your ride doesn't arrive. Yes, that happens. There is no pickup. You've just landed, you cleared immigration, and you walked out with confidence only to realize your airport transfer never showed. And you have no local SIM and no clue what to do next. Here's what seasoned travelers do, in case you want to know. Book flexible airport transfers that include flight tracking. Use apps like WhatsApp or Google Voice to message drivers using airport Wi-Fi. Have a backup plan ready. Pre-download Uber, Bolt, Grab, or local taxi apps for the country that you're in. Carry a small amount of local currency in case you need to grab a cab the old school way. What's the key? Expect the unexpected and always have plan B ready. I would love to hear from you though. What's your worst airport nightmare story? Lost luggage, missed flight, flight delays, got stuck overnight with no hotel? Drop your story in the comment section. We've all been there, and your story might help someone else. And that's why we have this channel. Now, if you want to be fully prepared for real-life travel disasters, I've got you covered. Download my free ebook. It's titled Top 5 Travel Scenarios and How to Solve Them. It's packed with step-by-step solutions to common travel mishaps, some that I just mentioned. The link is in the description. Don't fly without it. And if you're ready to travel like a pro, my digital travel bundle is exactly what you need. In the bundle, you'll find a 250-page ebook with 55 travel disasters and how to solve them. You'll also find an audio guide with 16 voice-led modules on successful international travel, 5 destination video guides with France, Japan, Dubai, Thailand, and the UK, and also a 7-day itinerary for each of those countries so that you never get stuck wondering what to do next. The bundle is the ultimate peace of mind kit for travelers, all travelers, and it's all waiting for you in the link in the description from the link below. Don't sleep on this one. It will make your next trip seamless. Are you still worried about something going wrong during your trip? In my next video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do if your passport is stolen, your flight is canceled, or your bag goes missing in a foreign country. So, you won't want to miss this one. And if you don't, hit that like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you're the first to know when it drops. And if you got value from this video and you want to support my channel, please hit that super thanks button below the video. It really helps me to keep bringing you travel tips like these that save time, money, and your sanity. And that's it for now. I'm Shirley, your host here at True Travel Treasures, saying bye, but only for now. Until next time, see you soon. Maybe I'll see you faceless, or maybe not. I could just surprise you again. How about that? Take care now and safe travels.